Well, hello everyone. This is an unexpected video, but welcome back to my channel, the Simplex 4903 here. And today I guess we'll be doing a surprise unboxing. So let's get started. Okay, so I just got a brand new panel. If you can't see on the bottom right, you could probably tell. You probably don't know what this panel is. I wasn't expecting it. See, I already cut the tape for convenience. I haven't opened it or looked inside of it at all. So we'll go ahead and open the box up. There's some keys right there. You can see them right there. Push that back. That's good enough. Cardboard off. And here we have a Firelight ES200X. So I actually got this panel from the same people I got my 4010 from. And if you can guess the price, all right. Okay. This costed me $0.00. So I'm gonna go ahead and open the door and we'll look inside. Hold on, get the key out first. Okay. Here we go. Okay. So let's go and put the key in. Open it up. And here it is. It's an ES200X fire alarm control panel. A USB port and a, what is it? It's a thingamajiggy. It's cardboard. It looks like that's it. There we have our 120 volts AC, our battery cable. Here we have this. I'm gonna take this off. Yeah, here we got. I think this is for I think that's for programming, and I think that's for dialers and such, but I'll figure that out later. So let's go. So there's the ES200X. It also goes some other stuff like terminals, battery cables, ground wire, all that sort of stuff. Go ahead and move this aside for now. We'll back it. Let's look at what's in here. Okay, so we got some more stuff. First, we'll start with this box right here. Which you can probably guess what it is just based off, this thing right here. We have some keys. We have an A and an 80. It's a fire alarm annunciator. Put the key in. Sorry. Whoops. The key in. There's the annunciator. Go ahead and open this out. See if I can do it with one hand. Okay, there we go. There's the inside. Some wiring terminals. That's a ground right there. Okay, let's go ahead and close this up. Okay, so annunciator and a panel. What else we got? This is a low-profile addressable firelight detector. It's a SD365. We'll go ahead and open this one up. Oops. There we go. Got some instruction manuals. We got the smoke detector itself. Here we have the addressable, it's a smoke detector, it's a low profile one. The dust cover, that just goes on top of that. Instruction manuals, again, we don't need those. Maybe I should have done that. Let's see, here we have a monitor module for the panel. It's for, like if I have conventional devices, I can run the monitor module. Here we have the cover plate, right there. The module itself, got some screws right here. Here we go, so the module right there. Whoops. Here we have the resistor right there, and 2 screws for the faceplate. Okay, let's move that aside now. Let's see what else. Oh, we have some more modules, but these are mini modules. These are the same thing, but you know, they're miniature. Here, I'll go ahead and take one out since we have two. So, you know, here's the other one. Put that aside. Here's the other one. Okay. Next we'll do the Pit Station. It's a Firelight BG12LX. I have the BG12 and the PSDA Evo Conventional. This is my first addressable BG12, so I'm gonna go ahead and get it open. It's an addressable BG12. It's an addressable BG12LX. Let's put that right there. Right here. I'm not gonna pull it right now, but let's see what else we can do. We have a control module. I'm not too sure what this does, but I'll do some research and figure out. Another faceplate. Another module. Not another, it's my first time. 2 resistors. And screws. If I can get them out of the box. Yeah. Okay, our last 3 items. We have System Sensor Spectralert Advanced SW. I believe this is an old stock. Roach and Bragg dust cover. And here's the alarm itself. We'll go ahead and take this cardboard. Figure out how that goes. Oh, there we go. Here's one of them. I'm not going to take out the rest of them. Well, I'll take them out of the big brown box, but I'm not going to open them up since, you know, it's the exact same thing. These are all SWs from, you know, System Sensor, including this one as a cover for that. That's pretty much it for now. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.